If you're trying to set up your AT&T prepaid phone, this video will walk you through everything, step by step. Method 1. Activate online. Open att.com/prepaid/activations in your browser. You'll land on the activation page. Step 1. Insert your SIM or set up eSIM. If you have a physical SIM, insert it into your phone. Turn your phone on. If you're using eSIM, follow the QR code instructions. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Enter your device details. You'll need to fill in SIM number, ICCID, printed on your SIM card, IMEI number. Dial *#06# or check in settings, about phone, zip code. Then click Continue. Step 3. Choose your prepaid plan. Select the plan you want. Review pricing and features. Continue to payment. Step 4. Make payment. Enter your payment details and complete checkout. Important: your service won't start until you pay. Step 5. Restart your phone. Once activation is complete, restart your device. Your AT&T prepaid network should connect automatically within a few minutes. Method 2. Activate by phone. Dial 844-517-2184. Follow the automated instructions. They may ask for SIM number and IMEI number. After that, your service should be active in a few minutes. Method 3. Activate directly on your phone. In some cases, just insert the SIM. Turn on your phone. Your device will guide you through activation automatically. After activation, make a call, send a text, and turn on mobile data. If everything works, you're all set. Quick tips: your phone must be unlocked. Double check IMEI and SIM details. Keep your account PIN safe. Restart if signal doesn't appear immediately. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. So yeah, that's pretty much it. 3 easy ways to activate your AT&T prepaid phone. You can do it online, directly on your device, or by calling support. If this helped, drop a comment and hit that like button. It really helps the channel.